First, I will install this app. Once the installation is completed, I'll be redirected to our platform to complete the initial setup. So here I will enter my credentials. So here you can connect your store. So for one thing I want to clarify that there are multiple brands you can connect here. So whichever brand you will select here, that the store will connect for that, like this. By this you will integrate multiple brand for this portal. Here you can see all the data, and for all the brands data you will see on operation dashboard. Here you can see all the brands integrated. You can see all the data here. So let's go to the catalog management. Once the brand is connected, all the relevant store data is automatically synced and displayed. So you can see, now look at the products. Here you can view all the products that have been synced from the selected brand. Moving to the orders. For now, there are no orders displayed because the application currently syncs orders from the last 60 days only. And here you can see the collection section. You can also map here and create a hierarchy to organize. You can see like this. This is the mapping. Our platform support integration for Google and Meta ads. Here you can connect your Google and Facebook account. These are the dashboard for analyzing the performance. Like here you can see your ad data, total revenue, ad spend, Shopify ROS, orders. This is not only for e-commerce but also for lead generation. Your campaign insights, you can see this. So it connect the brands whichever you have selected. It will show all the data for that particular brand. Okay, that concludes the overview of our platform. Thank you for watching.